What are holding costs? This is the one that quietly kills deals while you're sleeping. Not the purchase price, not the build, it's what you pay just for the privilege of waiting. Holding costs are the ongoing expenses you pay while you own the site but aren't making money from it yet. Think of it as the meter that never stops ticking, from the day you settle right up until the day you sell. That includes interest on your loan, council rates, insurance, and land tax, and some other things as well. And here's the thing, those costs don't care if council takes 3 months longer than planned. They don't care if there's a builder delay. They don't care if it rained for 4 weeks. You still pay. Here's an example. Say your holding costs are $1,500 a week. Your project runs 10 weeks over, which is common. That's $15,000 straight out of your pocket. No extra house, no extra value created, just time. And that's a conservative example. This is why I say in development, time is money. Every week you aren't moving forward, you are paying for it. The developers who understand this protect their timeline like it's cash, because in reality, it is. So, a quick recap. What are holding costs? They're the ongoing expenses that run the whole time you own the site. They don't stop. So make sure you budget for them from day one. So you've got your contingency sorted and you've allowed for your holding costs. How do you actually know if the whole deal makes sense before you commit? Up next, what is a feasibility study and why is it so important to do one before you commit any money to a project? Until next time, take care.